What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie McQueen. Come do a morning clean with me as I show you guys my new dish rack from Temu. I am so excited to share this product with you guys. This dish rack did not disappoint. This is my first time ever getting anything from Temu, and I honestly didn't know what to expect, but I love it so much. It works great for the space that I have, and I'm honestly happy to get rid of my white dish racks because they just take up so much space on the counter. So be sure to keep watching so you can see all about this awesome dish rack. Here is my new dish drying rack from Temu. This thing is very sturdy and I was impressed, and I love how it just fits so perfectly in this space. This is what it looked like before, but honestly it's so easy to build. My 10-year-old daughter built the whole thing, and the instructions are very easy to follow. It shows you how you can use each rack. So if you guys are interested in this, I will leave a link below so you can go purchase yours, and I will also give you a special discount code so that you can get some money off. This is definitely well worth it to me. This was my first time getting anything from Temu, and I was definitely very surprised. That is all that I have for you guys in this video. Like I said, if you want this dish drying rack, be sure to check the link below. And just here's a cute little decoration my daughter and I made this summer. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.